To Kimberly Fry's murder trial, the North Kingstown mother is accused of killing her 8-year-old daughter because she would not take a bath. The prosecution rested its case today after showing jurors a troubling letter Fry wrote well before her daughter's death. From the South County Mobile Newsroom, Eyewitness News reporter Sean Daly is live now in South Kingstown.
Lori Rizzo is a counselor in the women's division of the state prison in Cranston, the ACI. The prosecution called her as one of its final witnesses in Kimberly Fry's second-degree murder trial in the death of her young daughter, 8-year-old Camden Fry. Prosecutors say she strangled her daughter to death back in August of '09 during one of Camden's tantrums over taking a bath. After a prison orientation session 2 weeks later, Lori Rizzo testified that Kimberly Fry stayed behind in a small classroom after all the other prison inmates had left, and that she asked, "Can I talk to you?" Lori Rizzo said Kimberly Fry was crying and that the inmate told her she was a horrible person for what she had done and that she deserved to be in prison. During a conversation that lasted about 15 minutes, Lori Rizzo testified that Kimberly Fry said the last thing she remembered was her hands on her daughter's face before waking up in the hospital after she tried to kill herself. Lori Rizzo told the jury that Kimberly Fry said she drank 4 different kinds of medications and that as a nurse she knew what she needed to take to end her life. Lori Rizzo went on to testify that Kimberly Fry said she thought she'd probably end up in prison for the rest of her life and that she didn't care.
The prosecution also introduced into evidence today what amounts to a journal entry Kimberly Fry wrote that reveals she was a troubled mother in a troubled marriage more than a year before her daughter died. Attorneys are expected to begin presenting evidence in Fry's defense tomorrow.